If I'd like to know the length of a hallway, then I might would measure that in feet. If I'd like to know the width of our textbook, I might would measure that in inches. Or if I'd like to know the distance between Atlanta and Chattanooga, maybe I would measure that in miles. Feet and inches and miles, those are just three different units of measure, and my brain's really familiar with those. So my brain knows almost without thinking how to deal with those units. For example, my brain knows if I want to convert yards into feet, just divide by 3. If I want to convert feet into inches, multiply by 12. But sometimes I've got to multiply and sometimes I've got to divide. And how do I know when to do what? Well, if I think a little bit about what my brain actually does automatically, then that can show me what to do in cases where I'm not so familiar, like when I have to deal with the metric or the international system, or when I have to deal with parsecs or astronomical units or things like that. What my brain really does is it constructs a fraction out of what it knows. So for example, if I'm going to convert 18 feet into yards, my brain knows that 1 yard is 3 feet. So my brain constructs a fraction. 18 feet has feet in it, and I'd like to get rid of those feet. I'd like to cancel them out. So if I were to put the 3 feet on the bottom of my fraction, then the feet downstairs would cancel out the feet upstairs. That'd be great. Now the 1 yard, I've got to use it. I can't just throw it away. I've got to put it somewhere, and there's only one place left to put it, right upstairs. So the 1 yard goes upstairs. Now, after writing that out, I can see, okay, I've got to divide by 3 because the 3 is downstairs on the bottom of the fraction. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And the units, well, the feet have already gone. The only thing that's left are yards. So 18 feet is 6 yards. Again, my brain does that automatically without even thinking, but that's what my brain does. So what if I'm in Germany shopping and I want to buy something that costs 35 euros? How much is that in dollars? I'm not really familiar with dollars and euros, but I can do the same thing. 35 euros has euros in it, and they're upstairs. So I'm going to make a fraction. I'm going to put the 1 euro downstairs. Now, I did that on purpose. The 1 euro has to go downstairs to cancel the euro upstairs. And I can't just throw the $1.15 away. It's got to go somewhere, and there's only one place left, upstairs. So I'll put $1.15 upstairs. Now I know to multiply 35 times 1.15. And the units, the euros are gone. All I've got left are US dollars. So 35 euros is the same as $40.25. And that works with any units that we have to deal with. So, go try a few.